Okay. Okay. Hello everyone, namaskara and welcome to my Indian market live stream. So Sadak time is around 12:21 p.m. and 8th of July. So on 8th of July, what Nifty and Bank Nifty will do, we'll do a quick analysis. Based on that, we'll try to take a trade. Okay. So 1 second, we'll just cross checking each and everything. So Sadak time is around 12:21 p.m. and 8th of July. Okay. So everything is perfect. Let's start the video. So what I'll do right now is this is Bank Nifty chart and this is Nifty chart. So sadhyakke ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ I'll just go to 4-hour time frame. 4-hour time frame ನ ಹೋಗಿ I'll just do a quick analysis. Okay. So I'll remove chart everything, remove drawings, go to Nifty, remove drawings. Okay, perfect. So this is 4-hour time frame of Bank Nifty. Okay, so Bank Nifty, what I'm trying to say is I'll try to mark trend line wherever I can see a trend line. So this is a small trend line I can see over here. ಇದೊಂದು ಟ್ರೆಂಡ್ ಲೈನ್ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂತೀನಿ. ಇದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಕೆಳಗೊಂದು ಟ್ರೆಂಡ್ ಲೈನ್ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ಲತ್ತ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಬಟ್ ಅಗೇನ್ ಐ ಡೋಂಟ್ ಥಿಂಕ್ ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಓಕೆ. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ ವ್ಯಾಲಿಡ್ ಟ್ರೆಂಡ್ ಲೈನ್. ಸೊ ಇದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಅ ಸ್ಪೇಸ್ ಟು ಮೂವ್ ಟಿಲ್ ದಿಸ್ ಲೆವೆಲ್. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಆರಾಮ್ಸೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ತನಕ ಬರ್ಬೋದು, ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್ ತಗೊಂಡು ಅಗೇನ್ ಇಟ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಗೋ ಅಪ್, ಬಟ್ ರೈಟ್ ನೌ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಟ್ರೇಡಿಂಗ್ ಅಬೌವ್ this support level. So Sadak, I think market is kind of bullish at this level. So adike market keಳಗೆ ಬರಲಾಗಿದೆ. If in case market falls ala, this is the next support zone. So illinda support tone again it should go up. Okay. So this is what is in 4-hour time frame in Bank Nifty. And if you want me to mark resistance and support, I think this is a major support. Sadak, this is a major support. Okay. And this is a major resistance. So you can consider this as major resistance as well. But again, 1-hour time frame ಹೋಗಮು, ಅವಾಗ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಒಂದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕ್ಲಾರಿಟಿ ಸಿಗ್ತದೆ ಅನ್ಕೋ. 4-hour time frame ನಾಗ charts ನಾಗ ಅಷ್ಟು ಕ್ಲಾರಿಟಿ ಸಿಗಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. if you shift from 4-hour to 1-hour, chart will be zoomed little bit and then you'll get much more clarity. Okay. So let's go to 1-hour time frame, and 1-hour time frame what it is trying to tell. See, so ಇದು ಒಂದು ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ 4-hour time frame I mark this as support, and 1-hour time frame also it is acting as a very strong support because multiple times ಇಲ್ಲಿ rejection ತಗೊಂಡು ಅನ್ಕೋ, multiple times it is trying to support at this level. So this clearly shows that this is a strong support. Okay, and this is a strong resistance, but before this resistance there is another strong resistance at this point. So this you can consider as a strong resistance in 1-hour time frame. So that is the reason I came to 1-hour time frame to identify proper resistance level. So illondu resistance level mark ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂತೀನಿ, and this I can consider as a strong resistance as of now, which is nearby to the current market price. Okay. So sadhyakke ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ, oh shit, 1 second guys, कैमरा में कुछ गड़बड़ हो रहा है यहाँ पे. So in 4-hour time frame we mark this as a trend line. So ಎಲ್ಲಿದ್ವಿ ನಾವು, we were marking this trend line, ಈ trend line mark ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ, and again we mark this trend line at the top, and now we mark the resistance and support level. So the only thing left is we must go to 15 minutes time frame and then try to find out where exactly the major resistance and support are again. Okay. So this is what is in 1-hour time frame. 1-hour time frame now I can see these are the major support and resistance, and market is again in properly moving in a uptrend direction agada anko market. And in this zone if you see, this is totally sideways market, but idu ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ignore ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. Market uptrend agi sideways agi again it can continue its trend. Okay, so as of now we must be planning only for upside trend because trend is clearly upside. We are just trying to follow the trend. So this is what is in 1-hour time frame. Let's go to 15 minutes time frame. What 15 minutes time frame is trying to tell anteli, 1 second. Okay. So if you see in 15 minutes time frame, this zone in this completely is kind of a sideways market. If you see, but if in case ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ this is kind of forming lower low formation, it makes sense. But if you combine entire this chart alla, this clearly shows that market is trying to be sideways. So lower low ಇಂದ higher rise shift ಆಗ್ಲತ್ತು ಅಂತೇಳಿ it is trying to tell us. Again, why, how we will get to know it is trying to tell that it is shifting from lower low to higher high ಅಂತೇಳಿ ಒಂದು question ಬರ್ಬೋದು. So for that what you can do is simply ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, lows ಏನದ, lower lows do high is downshifting. So this is downshifting from this point to this point and this point to this point. This clearly shows that market is in downtrend. Same way when lows are upshifting, so ಈ low ಇರೋದು it shifted to this level, so it shifted to above and again this is the low, ಮೇಲ್ ಹೋಯ್ತು but again this is the low, ಮೇಲ್ ಹೋಯ್ತು again this is the low. So lows are upshifting in uptrend. So illiro buyers, they are strong and they are trying to take market above this level. So this is the reason this clearly shows that market is trying to form an uptrend market. Buyers illinda ill strong adru, again market went up, again market illinda illashte illi tanaka ashte fall agide notri. From this level again buyers are trying to be strong. So this clearly shows that it is forming higher high price action. Okay, so ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ lower low formation ಆಗ್ಲತ್ತಿತ್ತಲ್ಲ, same ರೀತಿ higher high formation ಆಗ್ಲತ್ತು. This clearly shows that market is trying to reverse its trend from downtrend to uptrend. This is in bank nifty. Okay, so this is what is the current chart. So ಇಷ್ಟು ಬಿಟ್ಟರೆ ಸದ್ಯಕ್ಕೆ ನನ್ನ ಕಣ್ಣಿಗಂತೂ ಏನು ಕಾಣಿಸಂಗಿಲ್ಲ ಇದೆ ಅನ್ಕೋರಿ. If in case we go to 1 minute time frame or 5 minute time frame, we can get some other points, but again I can see a channel over here. So if I can see this channel, I'll mark this channel. Okay, so again idu ಒಂದು again another proof ಅನ್ಕೋರಿ. So this was clearly moving in a lower low formation and now it is clearly moving in a channel which is an uptrend formation. If you want to see this, even this was moving in a channel before. I'll mark this level for clarity. Okay, so idu one channel move aglattittava. I'll just remove this thing. Okay, so ill not proper lower low formation aglatittu, this was moving in a channel and this channel has breaked out. So now it is trying to move in a upper channel. Idu one lower channel anko, this is an upper channel or downtrend channel, uptrend channel, ಏನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರಿಟ್ರಿ, what concept is important than names. Okay, so I'll remove this thing, I'll keep this into consideration right now. Okay, so same thing we'll do in Nifty as well and then come to a proper conclusion what should we do with it. So going to 4-hour time frame in Nifty, what Nifty is trying to do, let's see. So Nifty, if you see, I can see a trend line over here. So I'll mark a trend line over here. So illinda one proper trend line ಕಾಣಿಸ್ಲತ್ತು ನೋಡ್ರಿ, but again this is not trying to connect multiple dots. So what I'll do is I'll connect this level to this level. Okay, so trend line mark ಮಾಡೋದು major reason, it should try to connect multiple points, only then trend line will have much more strength. When multiple times connect ಆಗ್ತಲ್ಲ, then that has more the dots are connected, more is the strength of the trend line. Okay, so ಈ ಟೈಪ್ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ರಿ. ಸೊ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಕನೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ, ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಟ್ರೈಂಗ್ ಟು ಕನೆಕ್ಟ್, ಥರ್ಡ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಕನೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಡಾಟ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ರೀಸನ್ it is trying to touch multiple times to this trend line. So this is a valid and proper trend line. Okay, so this is how you mark trend line. So ಅದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ we can see a trend line from lower channel. Okay, I don't think so this is a valid trend line. Let's see, 1 second. Okay, ಕೆಳಗಿಲಿಂದ ಯಾವುದೇ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ ಟ್ರೆಂಡ್ ಲೈನ್ ಕಾಣಿಸಂಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅನ್ಕೋರ್ ನನಗೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಐ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸಿ ದಿಸ್ ಆಸ್ ಅ ಟ್ರೆಂಡ್ ಲೈನ್ ರೈಟ್ ನೌ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಟ್ರೈಂಗ್ ಟು ಟೇಕ್ ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಅಟ್ ದಿಸ್ ಲೆವೆಲ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಟ್ರೈಂಗ್ ಟು ರೆಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟ್ ದಿಸ್ ಟ್ರೆಂಡ್ ಲೈನ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಟ್ರೆಂಡ್ ಲೈನ್ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಂತೇಳಿ ನನ್ನ ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಇತ್ತಲ್ಲ, ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಟ್ರೈ ಟು ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮೈ ವಿಡಿಯೋಸ್. ಸೊ 1 week ನೋಡ್ರಿ ನನ್ನ ವಿಡಿಯೋಸ್ ಸಾಕು. ಸೊ ವಿಲ್ ಗೆಟ್ ಟು ನೋ ಹೌ ಆನ್ ವಾಟ್ ಬೇಸಿಸ್ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಟ್ರೈಂಗ್ ಟು ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ದೀಸ್ ಟ್ರೆಂಡ್ ಲೈನ್ಸ್ ಅಂತೇಳಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಲಾಜಿಕ್ ಬಿಹೈಂಡ್ ದೀಸ್ ಟ್ರೆಂಡ್ ಲೈನ್ಸ್. ಐ ಆಮ್ ಟ್ರೈಂಗ್ ಟು ಕನೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪಲ್ dots, I mean multiple candles. So multiple touches ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ಲತ್ತೋ then that is considered as a valid trend line. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ 3 ಸರ್ತಿ ಕನೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗ್ಯದ and if you see here it was also connected for 3 times and you can consider as 4 times as well here. Okay, so this is the reason I am considering this as a very strong trend lines. Okay, so coming back to 1 hour time frame. So if you want me to mark again resistance and support, let's mark in 1 hour time frame. ಅವಾಗ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಕ್ಲಾರಿಟಿ ಸಿಗ್ತದೆ ಅನ್ಕೋರಿ. If in case I mark this as a resistance, so market illind illi tanaka move aglak it has a lot of points. Second, it has around 180 points to move, then this will act as a resistance level, but before that there are multiple resistance to cross. So our resistance na first now mark ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಬೇಕು, ಅದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ then we can consider these resistance. Okay, so this is the reason I'm not marking any resistance at 4 hour time frame. So let's go back to 1 hour time frame and what 1 hour time frame is trying to tell and if we can see, so I can see this is a very strong resistance right now. See, this I can see as very strong resistance. There is multiple rejection at this point, multiple times. ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ವಾಪಸ್ ರಿವರ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ರಿವರ್ಸ್ ಆಯಿತು, ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಟೈಮ್, ಥರ್ಡ್ ಟೈಮ್ and fourth time. Now it is fifth time. So fifth time there are high chances that it should break out. Okay, so multiple times test adaga this resistance level will become weaker and it has to break out. So let's see, we can get a high probability trade in this scenario, but let's wait and watch. Okay, and I can also see a support level at this point. So illon proper support ಕಾಣಿಸ್ಲತ್ತ ನೋಡ್ರಿ. If you mark ala, this is 1 hour time frame. If I shift to 15 minutes time frame, this will make much more sense. So let's see. So now what I'm saying is this is a major resistance and this is a major support as of now in 1 hour time frame. Okay, and I can also see a channel. So each channel nenenu mark ಮಾಡಿ ಇಟ್ಟಿದ್ವಿ ನಾವು. So we'll see whether this channel will be breaking out today or it will be again sustaining in the same channel ante. So if you mark ala, this is a proper channel. Lower low formation aglattu market illi in provided 1 hour time frame. 1 hour time frame it is trying to form lower low formation. But if you see in 15 minutes time frame, it is almost trying to be sideways. So in the sideways it is trying to go up. So there are 60 to 70% chances that market might break out at this level. Okay, ivatte barbodu breakout, nalige barbodu, but it will break out. According to me, I think it should break out today. Okay, so let's see, because there is strength in buyers, there is strength in market. So this is what is in 1 hour time frame, and let's go to 15 minutes time frame. Again, why are we doing this top down analysis from 4 hour to 1 hour and 1 hour to 15 minutes? This is just because we just need clarity from larger perspective to shorter perspective. Larger time frame and the shorter time frame tanka what market is trying to do until we are just trying to analyze. Okay, so let's see what 15 minutes. Again I said 15 minutes this will make much more sense until I said you clearly, because this is the reason. Because multiple times it rejection from resistance level and multiple times it is trying to take rejection from support level. So this is the reason this is acting as a strong resistance and support level. If in case you self experience ittalla, you can catch this in 4 hour time frame or 1 hour time frame also. But ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ನಿಮಗೆ ತಿಳಿಯಲಾಗಿತ್ತು ಅನ್ಕೋರಿ, just zoom in the chart. Zoom in the chart in the sense, come to shorter time frame and then you will get to know what exactly market is trying to tell you. Okay, so this is what is in 15 minutes time frame in Nifty. So we are done with both Nifty and Banknifty, and both directions are upside. So again, why upside? Clearly Banknifty is trying to form high rise and it is going upside. So upside trade ashte ತಗೊಬೇಕು. And again in Nifty lower low formation agi it formed sideways. Sideways in the upside ಹೋಗ್ಲತ್ತು try ಮಾಡ್ಲತ್ತು ಅಂತ. This clearly shows that market is stronger at this point and buyers are stronger at this point. So that is the reason we should go only for upside trades. Okay, so both trades should be going only for upside trades. But let's see ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ entry ಆಗಬೇಕು and where is our entry point is the next question right now. So we'll discuss that thing. Okay, I hope ಇಲ್ಲಿ ತನಕ points are very much clear, which is in 15 minutes time frame. Okay, so clearly to the 1 second, clearly the sideways market form aglattu. This clearly shows that buyers are strong at this point, and for this it is clearly forming higher rise and buyers are upshifting from this level to this level and this level to this level. So this is the reason market is bullish or market has some strength and market is under buyers control as of now. So that is the reason we must be going only for upside trades as of now on 8th of July. Okay, so this we are doing for intraday analysis. Okay, we'll shift to 1 minute time frame and then try to search for a quick scalping trade. Okay, let's see. 1 second. Okay, so now what I'll do is I'll just shift to 1 minute time frame. 1 minute time frame shift adaga I think I'll get much more clarity which direction should I take a trade anta. Okay, so almost till trade initiate agbekagiತ್ತು ನಮ್ದಿಲ್ಲಿ. We have an entry point over here in Banknifty, but let's see, let's not get into FOMO. We'll enter into proper trade. Okay, okay, so now what I'll do is I'll remove this entire drawing. So in drawing I'll try to keep charts very much simple. I'll remove drawings because 1 minute time frame like all these are kind of confusions and the thing what I can do is 1 second, I'll make this chart bigger. This is Banknifty chart in 1 minute time frame. I'll remove entire drawings. I'll just mark day low and day high. because this will solve our 50% of the solution, 50% of the problem, not the solution. Okay, so this is day high, this is 50% level, and this is day low. Okay, so I'm trying to mark these level just for a clarity. Okay, ide day low na, 1 second guys. Okay, so this is a day low, so this is 50% level. So in 50% level through hodrunu you can see a proper support at this level. So this is how levels will work. Now in 50% level bittu bari support mark madidrunu you will be ending up at this point itself. And if you want to mark through 50% level by taking a price tool, you will be ending up here itself. And if you want to mark it through fib retracement and take swing low and swing high and mark 50% level, you will be ending up here itself. So this is how levels work. So ellaru multiple bare tools use ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, but they'll end up in the same common point. Okay, so this is what is the logic behind this support or 50% level or fib retracement, whatever it is. Okay, so this is bank nifty chart. We just mark day high, day low, and 50% level. Same thing we will do in nifty as well. So nifty name will just remove drawings, each and everything. I'll try to keep charts simple. And now what I'll do is I'll just mark day low and day high. Okay, so this is a 50% level. I'll just mark 50% level as well, and this is day high. Okay, and this is day low. So now there is much clarity in market. So what should we do now? Simple. Again, every day I'll do the same analysis. 1 second. Okay, so above 50% level I should be bullish, below 50% level I should be bearish. Either male or I should be bullish. Again in nifty, above 50% level I should be going for bullish trade, below 50% level I should be going for bearish trade. Now it is obviously above 50% level, both are above 50% level. Bank nifty now is trading above 50% level, and nifty is also above 50% level. So I should be going only for upside trades. Okay, so let's see where can we get a proper upside trade until. That is the next question mark. Okay, so let's see. Going back to bank nifty. Okay, so what I can see over here is next resistance level is somewhere at this point. So this is a resistance level in bank nifty. Let's see. And also I can see a trend line over here. In and trend line LLE resistance support constantly. I'll just trying to mark those things. Okay, again if I can also mark this as channel instead of making trend lines. 1 second guys. So illang trend line ಕಾಣಿಸ್ಲತ್ತ, I'm clearly marking this trend line, and also I got to know that it is moving in a channel, and I mark the channel as well. So illinda ee upper channel test ಮಾಡಿ market should come down, and then you can go for an upside trade. Okay, and going for upside trade at this point is not the right point, because idu ಏನಂತಾರೆ upper channel ಅದ ಅನ್ಕೋರಿ, at this point it should resist and come down. Okay, so this is the reason this is not the right zone to go for upside trade. This is the right time to sell. Okay, on quick scalping ಮಾಡಬಹುದು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ, but again I'm not interested in scalping downside trade. I want only for upside trades. So I'm waiting for a proper entry point at this level. So this is what I can see in intraday for 1 minute chart in bank nifty. Okay, so this is what is the current scenario. Let's see. And if you want to check in nifty alla, nifty nage yav riti, we'll see. So nifty nage ಏನು ಇಲ್ಲ, ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ಲಿ ಅದೊಂದು ಕಪ್ ಪ್ಯಾಟರ್ನ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಆಗ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ. Slowly it is trying to form like this U shape. So what it is trying to tell us, slowly market is lower low formation aitu, and at one point it became sideways, and now it is trying to form higher edge. This clearly shows that market is trying to reverse its trend from downtrend to sideways and sideways to uptrend. So this is a proper market structure, and for hinta market structure sikkar we must not miss a trade, because this is a proper healthy market structure. Ilon small pullback bantala, we can go for an upside trade. Let's wait for a pullback and then we can plan trade accordingly. ಯಾವಾಗ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 50 ಮೂವಿಂಗ್ ಎವರೇಜ್ ರಿಜೆಕ್ಷನ್ ತಗೊಂತಲ್ಲ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ರಿಜೆಕ್ಷನ್ ತಗೊಂಡು ಸಮಥಿಂಗ್ ಹಿಂಗ್ ಗ್ರೀನ್ ಕ್ಯಾಂಡಲ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಆಯ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ we can try to enter this spot and we can keep this as the SL, and target will be around 1:2 or 1:3. Okay, so let's do it. ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಟ್ರೇಡ್ ಸಿಕ್ತು ಅದರ ಮೇಲೆ we will take a decision. Okay, so we are done with all the analysis in all the possible ways, and I can see this as a strong resistance as well. I'll mark this as well. Okay, so ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೇನೆ ಇವಾಗ bank nifty level, this is the best time to sell. If you want to do scalping, you must sell at this point, and you can do a quick scalping, because anytime illinda again reversal barbo. But I'm not again interested in doing selling side scalping. I'm interested only in for upside trades. I'm interested only going for long side trades. So that is the reason ಯಾವುದೇ ರೀತಿ positions build ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್ ಫಾಲ್ ಆಗ್ಲತ್ತ. ಅಗೇನ್ ಇಟ್ ಶುಡ್ ರೆಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟೆಡ್ ದಿಸ್ ಲೆವೆಲ್. ನಾವು ಲೆಟ್ಸ್ ಸಿ ವಾಟ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಹ್ಯಾಪನ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಈ ಕ್ಯಾಂಡಲ್ ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ಆಗ್ಲಕ್ಕೆ ಇನ್ನ 5 ಮಿನಿಟ್ಸ್ ಅದ ಅನ್ಕೋರಿ, 4 ಮಿನಿಟ್ಸ್. ಇಫ್ ಐ ಗೋ ಟು 5 ಮಿನಿಟ್ಸ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಫ್ರೇಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಸೊ ಪೂರ್ತಿ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಲೆವೆಲ್ ಟ್ರ್ಯಾಪ್ ನಡೆದಿದೆ. ವಾಟ್ ಎವರ್ ವಿ ಡಿಡ್ ಅನಾಲಿಸಿಸ್ ರೈಟ್ ನಾವು ಅಬೌವ್ 50% ಲೆವೆಲ್ ಐಲ್ ಬಿ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಬುಲ್ಲಿಶ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ, ಈ ಲೆವೆಲ್ ಮೇಲ್ ಟ್ರೇಡ್ ಆಗ್ಲತ್ತಿತ್ತು, ಐಲ್ ಬಿ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಬುಲ್ಲಿಶ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೆ. ಬಟ್ ವಿತ್ ಇನ್ ಒನ್ ಕ್ಯಾಂಡಲ್ ಇಟ್ ರಿವರ್ಸ್ಡ್ ಅವರ್ ವ್ಯೂ. ಸೊ ನಾವು ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಟ್ರೈಂಗ್ ಟು ಗೋ ಬಿಲೋ ದಿಸ್ 50% ಲೆವೆಲ್. ಸೊ ವಿ ಮಸ್ಟ್ ಬಿ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಫಾರ್ ಡೌನ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಟ್ರೇಡ್ ರೈಟ್ ನಾವು. ಸೊ ಈ ಲೆವೆಲ್ ಎಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಆಗ್ತದಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಪರ್ಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟಿವ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಹಾಕೊಂತ ಹೋಗ್ತದೆ ಅನ್ಕೋರಿ. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಹೌ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಟ್ರೈಂಗ್ ಟು ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್. ಅಗೇನ್ ಲುಕ್ ಅಟ್ ದಿಸ್, ಇಷ್ಟು ಕೆಳಗೆ ಬಂದು ನಾವು ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಅಗೇನ್ ಟ್ರೈಂಗ್ ಟು ಗೋ. ಸೊ ನಾವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ಲಾರಿಟಿ ಇರಂಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅನ್ಕೋರಿ. ಅಗೇನ್ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಟ್ರೈಂಗ್ ಟು ಕಮ್ ಡೌನ್, ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಗೋ ಅಪ್, ವಾಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಟ್ರೈಂಗ್ ಟು ಡೂ ಅಂತೇಳಿ ಖುದ್ ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಹೌ ವಿಲ್ ವಿ ಗೆಟ್ ಟು ನೋ? ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ರೀಸನ್ ವಿ ವಿಲ್ ವೇಟ್ ಫಾರ್ ಅನದರ್ 3 ಮಿನಿಟ್ಸ್. ಅವಾಗ 5 ಮಿನಿಟ್ಸ್ ಕ್ಯಾಂಡಲ್ ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ, ದೆನ್ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಕಮ್ ಟು ಅನ್ ಕನ್ಕ್ಲೂಷನ್. So let's see, again it is trying to form a huge wick. In case a huge wick form ಆಯ್ತಲ್ಲ, then this is a pure buying trade. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹೆವಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಲಿಕ್ವಿಡಿಟಿ ಗ್ರಾಬ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಕ್ಕೆ, ಎಲ್ಲರದು ಲಿಕ್ವಿಡಿಟಿ ತೊಗೊಳಕ್ಕೆ ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್ ಕೆಳಗೆ ಬರ್ಲತ್ತಲ್ಲಿ. Once it grabs all the liquidity ಎಲ್ಲ, there is no reason for market to fall down. Then we can easily go for an upside trade. For that scenario to happen, we must just wait and watch. Okay, let's see. We'll wait for another 3 minutes, that's it. Okay, 1 second. To happen, we must just wait and watch. Okay, let's see. Okay, so video is perfect, audio is perfect. अरे भाई साहब, अरे प्लेन ಆಗಲ್ಲ ಆಗಿದಲ್ಲ ಅದು. 1 second guys, 1 second. Something is not right. Something is not right. Okay, so in a 1 minute adankoori the candle close agla. Let's wait for 1 more minute and then we'll come to a conclusion. Okay, so let's see, I'm just cross checking the live, but it is not playing here. I don't know what is the reason.
This dad wanted to play a game with his dog.
Okay,
Come. Enter.
okay,
Again, I said around 15 minutes, this will make much more sense until I said it clearly. Because this is the reason. Because multiple times will rejection to
perfect. Okay, so look at this candle. Nifty na ee candle nodri yav range wick formation agide. So this wick clear, if you know how to read candles alla, this candle clearly shows that sellers ಇಲ್ಲಿ ತನಕ ತಗೊಂಬರ ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು, but still buyers ekdam illinda they took it up and they try to close at this point. So this clearly shows that buyers are very much strong in this candle. ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಮರ್ತು ಬಿಡ್ರಿ, but at this candle there are very much strong buyers and market has much more probability that it will go for upside trade only. Again, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾರ್ಯಾರು ಬೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಲ್ಲ ಇವರೆಲ್ಲರದು ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ಲಾಸಸ್ ಲಿಕ್ವಿಡಿಟಿ ಹಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್ ಕೇಮ್ ಟಿಲ್ ದಿಸ್ ಲೆವೆಲ್. It didn't mean to come actually downside, it just came to take all the liquidities. Okay, ಇವರ ಸೆಲ್ ತಗೊಳಕ್ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಕೆಳಗೆ ಬಂದಿತ್ತು ಇಲ್ಲಿ. Let's see, if in case we get a trade, then we can enter into such high probability trades. Let's shift to 1 minute time frame on both Nifty and Banknifty. Let's see, this is a proper ಒಂದು ಟ್ರೇಡ್ ಸಿಗ್ಬೋದು ಇಲ್ಲಿ. We'll just wait. ನಮ್ದು ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಸೆಟಪ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಆಗ್ಲತ್ತದ ಇಲ್ಲಿ in Nifty as well. Let's see, 1 second. Before that, I'll just have a look in OI data. What OI data is trying to tell? 25,450. Okay, perfect. So Nifty ನೀವು ನೋಡಿದ್ರಲ್ಲ OI data at this level, ನಾನು ಕರ್ಸರ್ನ ಫಾಲೋ ಮಾಡಿರಲಿ. 24,450 and 24,000 25,500. So heavy call short ಮಾಡಿರೋ run ಕೊರಿ. So this red thing indicates that there are much more call short ಮಾಡಿರೋ. Call short ಮಾಡಿರೋ ಅಂದ್ರೆ they are trying to take market down. But if in case reverse ಹೊಡಿತಲ್ಲ, they should give up and market should boom like very fast. Okay, so that is what we are expecting right now. Let's see what can happen. ಓಕೆ ಸೊ ನನ್ನ ಕರ್ಸರ್ನ ಫಾಲೋ ಮಾಡಿರಿ. ಇನ್ ಕೇಸ್ ನೀವು ಕಾಲ್ ರೈಟ್ ಮಾಡಿರೋ ನೋಡಿದ್ರಲ್ಲ 1.69 crores ಅರ ಡೇಟಾ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಇಫ್ ಇನ್ ಕೇಸ್ ಪುಟ್ ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ಬರೀ 86 lakhs. ಗ್ರೀನ್ ಕಲರ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ ಪುಟ್ ರೈಟರ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ರೆಡ್ ಕಲರ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ ಕಾಲ್ ರೈಟರ್ಸ್. ಸೊ 1.69 crores ಅದ. ಸೊ ದೇ ಶುಡ್ ನಾಟ್ ಕ್ರಾಸ್, ದೇ ಶುಡ್ ನಾಟ್ ಲೀವ್ ಅಸ್ ಟು ಏನಂತಾರೆ, ದೇ ಶುಡ್ ಡಿಫೆಂಡ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ 25,500 ಲೆವೆಲ್. ಸೊ ಐಲ್ ಶೋ ಯು ವೇರ್ 25,500 ಲೆವೆಲ್ ಈಸ್. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ 25,500. ಸೊ ಈ ಲೆವೆಲ್ ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಬಿಡಿಸ್ಬಾರ್ದು. ಸೊ ದೇ ವಿಲ್ put all their efforts to full potential के साथ ये level के ना ಕೆಳಗೆ trade ಆಗ್ಲಕ್ they'll try to manage. But in worst case ಏನನ ಇದು level cross ಆಗಿ ಮೇಲೆ ಹೋಯ್ತಲ್ಲ, then market will boom very fast. Heavy spike ಬರ್ತದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ above 25,500 level only. Okay, again reason behind this is simple. At this point there are call sellers. Call sellers are call short ಮಾಡಿರೋರು ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಬೋದು, call writers ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಬೋದು. You can call whatever they want. Okay, so once they give up, market will boom. But till that we have to wait with patience. Call writers andre onde, call sellers andre onde, just the different names anko. Okay, but again market is trying to fall down because this is again kind of acting as a strong resistance level. So let's wait for a proper entry point, only then we can jump into a conclusion. Because one candle note, one day candle is around 22 points. So one sarti na enter advalla one day candle it can make us out as well. So that is the reason we'll wait for a proper entry point and then come to a conclusion. One second guys. Okay, so what Bitcoin Ethereum are doing right now? Okay, shabash. So the 50% level breakout agi, it is coming for a small pullback. So you'll pull back toward, if in case green candle form aitala, again I think I'll enter into Ethereum trade as well. So this is a healthy pullback. Again it should go up, then I can try to enter somewhere here. This will be my sell and target will be this till this point. Okay, let's see what can we do until. But again clearly market is trying to go upside, but we just have to wait for a proper entry point. Only then we can get into trade. Illa unnecessary SL ತಗೊಂಡು we will be out of the market. Let's see. So one more thing, I'm just trying to I'm planning to make a video on this ಏನಿದು OI data. ಸೊ ನೀವು OI ಡೇಟಾನ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ರೀಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಂತೇಳಿ ಒಂದು ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಒಂದು ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಂತ ಪ್ಲಾನ್ ಮಾಡತ್ತೀನಿ. ಐ ಥಿಂಕ್ ಐಲ್ ಮೇಕ್ ದ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಅಂಡ್ ಅಪ್ಲೋಡ್ ಇಟ್ ಇನ್ ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್. ಐಲ್ ಮೇಕ್ ಅ ಡೆಡಿಕೇಟೆಡ್ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಆನ್ ದಿಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ದಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಗೆಟ್ ಟು ನೋ ವಾಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ ಈಸ್ ಹ್ಯಾಪನಿಂಗ್ ಬಿಹೈಂಡ್ ದ ಸೀನ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ವಾಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ ಯು ಶುಡ್ ಟೇಕ್ ಯುವರ್ ಡಿಸಿಷನ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಬೇಸ್ಡ್ ಆನ್ ದೀಸ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್. ಏನು ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಕಾಂಪ್ಲಿಕೇಟೆಡ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅನ್ಕೋರಿ, ಬಟ್ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಒಂದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ತಲೆ ಓಡಿಸ್ಬೇಕಷ್ಟೇ. ಯು ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಬಿ ಫೆಮಿಲಿಯರ್ ವಿತ್ ದಿಸ್ ಟರ್ಮಿನಾಲಜೀಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ದ ಏನಂತಾರೆ ಅದು ಕಾಲ್ ರೈಟರ್ಸ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು, ಕಾಲ್ ಪುಟ್ ರೈಟರ್ಸ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು, ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿರಬೇಕು. ಅದು ಅಷ್ಟು ಗೊತ್ತಿತ್ತಲ್ಲ, ದೆನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಆಲ್ ಸಾರ್ಟೆಡ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್. ಮಲ್ಟಿ ಸ್ಟ್ರೈಕ್ OI ಅಂತ ಏನಂತ ಇದನ್ನು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೈನ್ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತೀನಿ ಅದ್ರೊಳಗೆ. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಗೆಟ್ ಟು ನೋ ಅ ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಏನಂತಾರೆ ಅದು ಒಂದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕ್ಲಾರಿಟಿ ಸಿಗ್ತದೆ ಅನ್ಕೋರು ವಾಟ್ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಟ್ರೈಂಗ್ ಟು ಟೆಲ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಹೌ ಯು ಶುಡ್ ಬಿ cautious enough in market before taking a trade ante. Let's see what can happen. So as of now, if you see in Banknifty also, Banknifty neg 57,100, there is equal participation among call writers and put writers. If you see the data, nan cursor na follow madri 2.56 lakh and 2.51 lakh. So there is no much difference in these data. So that is the reason it can stay sideways, because ibru one day level they are trying to take market up as well and they are trying to take market down as well. put writers are trying to take market up and call writers are trying to take market down. So there is equal participation ಅಂದಾಗ ಈ ಕಡೆನೂ ಹೋಗಲ್ಲ ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್, ಈ ಕಡೆನೂ ಹೋಗಲ್ಲ, ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಆಲ್ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ವೈಸ್ ಅನ್ಕೋ. ಯಾರನ್ನ ಒಬ್ಬರು ಗಿವ್ ಅಪ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಅವಾಗ ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಗೋ ಐದರ್ ದಿಸ್ ವೇ ಆರ್ ದಿಸ್ ವೇ. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಲಾಜಿಕ್. ಸೊ ಲೆಟ್ಸ್ ಸಿ ವಾಟ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಹ್ಯಾಪನ್. ಸೊ ಅಗೇನ್ ಇಟ್ ವಾಸ್ 57,100 ಅಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ 57,100 ಆಲ್ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಸಸ್ಟೈನ್ ಆಗ್ಲತ್ತು ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್ ಫಾರ್ ವೆರಿ ಲಾಂಗ್ ಟೈಮ್. ಲೆಟ್ಸ್ ಸಿ. Nifty, this is a Nifty chart. Okay, Nifty I think I'm expecting an upside move very strongly, but let's see. Premium prices are also ready with me right now. So these are the premium prices over here. Mobile ne observe ಮಾಡ್ಲತ್ತೀನಿ so that I can get to know what exactly or where exactly I should enter into trade ante. Okay, let's see. Okay, premium price is moving. Perfect. ಸೊ ಇದ್ರ ಜೊತೆ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ನಿಫ್ಟಿನೂ ಪ್ರೀಮಿಯಂ ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ಮೂಮೆಂಟಮ್ ಕೊಡ್ಬೇಕಿಲ್ಲಿ, ನಿಫ್ಟಿನೂ ಮೂಮೆಂಟಮ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಲ್ಲ, ದೆನ್ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಜಂಪ್ ಇನ್ ಟು ಟ್ರೇಡ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಲೆಟ್ಸ್ ವೇಟ್ ಅಂಡ್ ವಾಚ್. So this is again a strong resistance level. Anta in strong resistance illa, but this can act as a strong resistance level in next move. Okay, if in case once this breakout battala, then we can get into trade. Let's wait. So 1 o'clock aglakina 7 minutes adan kori. Let's see what can happen. Okay, it is trying to take resistance at this level. Let's see. I'll just shift to 15 minutes time frame quickly and then just have a look what it is trying to tell in 15 minutes time frame. Okay, so 15 minutes time frame now, again bank nifty is kind of sideways, but nifty is completely bullish. Proper back to back green candle formation aglatilli. So this clearly shows that there is strength in buyers. So that is the reason I'm planning to go for an upside trade provided E level ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ cross ಆಗಬೇಕು ನಂಗೆ. This is an important level for me. Let's see, because this is the first time ಇಲ್ಲಿ resistance ತಗೊಂಡದ ಅನ್ಕೋ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ resistance ತಗೊಂಡದ ಅಂದ್ರೆ there are chances that it will try to take multiple times. In case ಇದು multiple times resistance ತಗೊಂಡಿತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲಿ, suppose example ಇಲ್ಲಿ then fourth time it would have breakdown, but this is the first time. So next time it will take resistance at this level, and again next time it will take resistance at this level. Once it crosses this resistance level, then we can go for an upside trade. This is a high probability confirmation. We will just wait. Okay, $25,470. Okay, 1 second. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾಕೋ ಒಂದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕಾನ್ಫಿಡೆನ್ಸ್ ಕೊಡ್ಲತ್ತು ನನ್ನ ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್. ಸೊ ಮಲ್ಟಿ ಸ್ಟ್ರೈಕ್ ಓಯ್, ಓಕೆ, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಇನ್ ಸಪ್ರೇಟ್ ವಿಡಿಯೋ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ನಿಮಗೇನು ಅಷ್ಟು ಕ್ಲಾರಿಟಿ ಸಿಗಂಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅನ್ಕೋರಿ. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮೇಕ್ ಅ ಡೆಡಿಕೇಟೆಡ್ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಆನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ದೆನ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೇನ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಲೆಟ್ಸ್ ಫೋಕಸ್ ಆನ್ ದ ಟ್ರೇಡ್ ಮಿಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದು ಬೇಡ. ವಿ ಆರ್ ವೆರಿ ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ಟು ದ ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ರೈಟ್ ನಾವು. ಸೊ ಅಗೇನ್ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ಆಕ್ಷನ್ ಇಸ್ ಫಾರ್ಮಿಂಗ್. ಇದು ಕ್ಯಾಂಡಲ್ ಫಾರ್ಮೇಷನ್ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ಲಿ ಫಾರ್ಮಿಂಗ್ ಹೈಯರ್ ಹೈ ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ಆಕ್ಷನ್. ಸೊ ಹೈಯರ್ ಹೈ ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ಆಕ್ಷನ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಆಗ್ಲತ್ತಂತ ದಿಸ್ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ಲಿ ಶೋಸ್ ದಟ್ ದೇರ್ ಇಸ್ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಇನ್ ಬಯರ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ರೀಸನ್ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಟ್ರೈಂಗ್ ಟು ಗೋ ಅಪ್ಸೈಡ್. ಲೆಟ್ಸ್ ವೇಟ್ ಫಾರ್ ಸಮ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಅಂಡ್ ದೆನ್ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಗೆಟ್ ಇನ್ ಟು ಟ್ರೇಡ್. ಸೊ ಪ್ರೀಮಿಯಂ ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಅರೌಂಡ್ 137 138 ನಡಿಲತ್ತದಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾಲ್ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ನಿಫ್ಟಿ. So above 140 I think we can enter into trade. Above this level we can get into trade. Let's see what can happen. Stop loss will be around just 8 to 9 points. target will be 1:2. Okay, so let's see. I think I'll keep my positions ready as well over here. Okay. Above this level, our trade will be initiated. Let's see. So your resistance level cross agi mail barvek market, only then we can get into trade. Let's see what can happen. So even Bank Nifty is trying to take support at this lower channel. So lower channel in support only, it is trying to go up. In case mail hoytala, then we can expect even Nifty to go up. But in case of the breakdown aitandre, then Nifty can't go up. Let's see. ನಿನ್ನೆನು ಸೇಮ್ ಸಿನಾರಿಯೋನಾಗ we were stuck in. So market ಈ ಲೆವೆಲ್ ಮೇಲೆ ತಗೋಬೇಕಂತ ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಇತ್ತು, ಬಟ್ it did not even try to touch this level. So even today ಸೇಮ್ ಸಿನಾರಿಯೋನೇ ಸಿಗಾಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿದ್ದೀವಿ ಅನ್ಕೋರಿ. ಲೆಟ್ಸ್ ಸಿ ಅಟ್ ಲೀಸ್ಟ್ ಟುಡೇ ಅನ್ನ ಬ್ರೇಕ್ಔಟ್ ಕೊಡ್ತದ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ. $138, $137 is a premium price right now. Let's wait. Okay, it is trying to fall down. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಮೇಜರ್ ಪುಲ್ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಬರ್ತಲ್ಲ, ನಮ್ಗೆ ಅಷ್ಟು ಕಾನ್ಫಿಡೆನ್ಸ್ ಸಿಕ್ತು ಅನ್ಕೋ ಟ್ರೇಡ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಹೋಗ್ಲಕ್, ಟ್ರೇಡ್ ಅಪ್ಸೈಡ್ ತಗೋಲಕ್. ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ದಿಸ್ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ಲಿ ಶೋಸ್ ದಟ್ ಸೆಲ್ಲರ್ಸ್ ಟ್ರೈಡ್ ಟು ಟೇಕ್ ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್ ಟಿಲ್ ದಿಸ್ ಲೆವೆಲ್, ಬಟ್ ದೇ ಫೇಲ್ ಟು ಡೂ ಸೊ. ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ರೀಸನ್ ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಟ್ರೈಂಗ್ ಟು ಗೋ ಅಪ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ದಿಸ್ ಲೆವೆಲ್. ಸೊ ಅವಾಗ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಏನೋ ಕಾನ್ಫಿಡೆನ್ಸ್ ಸಿಗ್ತದೆ, ಓಕೆ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಲೆವೆಲ್ ವೇರ್ ದೇ ಟುಕ್ ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್ ಡೌನ್ ಫಾರ್ ದ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್, ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಅಗೇನ್ ಇಟ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ರಿವರ್ಸ್ ಅಂತೇಳಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಎಷ್ಟು ಪುಲ್ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಬರ್ತದೆ, ದಟ್ ಮಚ್ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಕಾನ್ಫಿಡೆನ್ಸ್ ವಿ ಗೆಟ್. That is the level of confidence we should be having. Okay, andagane we can try to get into a trade. More the pullback, more the confidence. Provided a pullback bandu, market should go up, only then it is called a pullback. So il kelag bandu male hodre, this will be called as a pullback. Illinda heavy crash adre, this is not called a pullback. This is a down move. I hope my point is clear. Let's see. Okay, again it is trying to fall. Above this level will be going for upside trade. Let's see. Our positions are ready, everything is ready. Even seller level cross agbeku. Even seller level cross aaytu ankori, then we can easily get into trade. Okay, so heavy ಕೆಳಗೆ ಬೀಳತ್ರಲ್ಲಿ, it is not the right thing to do right now. It should cross above this level. Again liquidity grab ಮಾಡ್ಲಕ್ market is trying to come down. So I can see this is a strong support level once again. ಇದು ಒಂದು I can consider a strong support level. So let's see what premium price is trying to do. Again 135, 136 ಗೆ ಮೂವ್ ಆಗ್ಲತ್ತಲ್ಲಿ. Let's see. Okay. So I think at least this time it should break out. So So this is strong support over here. So ಈ support level ಕಿಂತ ಕೆಳಗೆ ಬರೋದು there is a very less probability. I think will keep my positions ready as well. Okay, let's wait. So let's have a look at 5 minutes time frame what it is trying to do anteli. 5 minutes candle. Okay, come on, it is kind of bullish. Okay, perfect. If I see in Nifty, okay, Banknifty is also trying to form a bullish candle. 15 minutes time frame, it is also trying to form a bullish candle. Okay, so there are all the possibilities. From this level market can go up. Let's see. But again, analysis is our ಏನಂತ ನಮ್ಮ ಕೆಲಸ ಅನಾಲಿಸಿಸ್ ಮಾಡೋದು. ಮಿಕ್ಕಿದ ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್, ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅಪ್ ಟು ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್ ವೆದರ್ ಇಟ್ ವಾಂಟ್ ಟು ಮೂವ್ ಆರ್ ಇಟ್ ಡೋಂಟ್ ವಾಂಟ್ ಟು ಮೂವ್. If it moves, we can enter into trade. If it doesn't move, we just have to wait and watch. Okay, which is a difficult part in market. Waiting and watching is a very difficult part. ನಮ್ಮ ಟ್ರೇಡ್ ಬರೋ ತನಕ ಸುಮ್ ಕುಂದಿರ್ಬೇಕಲ್ಲ, ಕೈ ಸುಮ್ ಕುಂದ್ರಂಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅನ್ಕೋರಿ. ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ into unnecessary thoughts. Okay, this might happen, that might happen anteli. Okay, again, if this closes as a very huge wick candle, then there are high chances that market can go up. Let's see. Again, why I am very much interested in going upside trade, because it is trading above 50% level. In this zone it is sideways, I agree, but above 50% level other, that is the reason I'm interested only in going for upside trades. And market is clearly forming higher high projection. You'll notice this structure completely it is forming higher highs. Okay, so this is the reason I'm interested only in going for upside trade. Let it tell me that ಈ 50% ಲೆವೆಲ್ ಕೆಳಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಅಂದಾಗ್ಲೇನೆ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಗೋ ಫಾರ್ ಡೌನ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಟ್ರೇಡ್ ಬೋತ್ ಇನ್ ನಿಫ್ಟಿ ಅಂಡ್ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ನಿಫ್ಟಿ. ಅನ್ಲೆಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಅಂಟಿಲ್ ಈ ಲೆವೆಲ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ತನಕ ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಆಗಂಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ತನಕ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟೆಡ್ ಇನ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಫಾರ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಅಪ್ಸೈಡ್ ಟ್ರೇಡ್ಸ್. Okay, so this is a logic which is very simple and clear in my mind. So what I can see is market illinda ist kelag fall aglatrunu premium prices ne fall illa. So this clearly shows that there is strength in premium price even after market is falling. So this is giving me much more confidence that market will boom from this level. Okay. So this is strong support level over here. This support level support ತಗೊಂತಲ್ಲ, again market has much more chances that it should give a huge spike. Let's see. So in that any time you can get a huge spike because this is strong support over here. Again market ille support ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ and this is the resistance level over here. So heavy spike ಬತ್ತಲ್ಲ, ಇಲ್ಲಿರೋ resistance levels, ಇಲ್ಲಿ there are multiple sellers At this point there are sellers, at this point there are sellers, so your stop loss will be above this level and they have to exit immediately. So one huge spike bandru barbodi. Let's see. Come on, come on, come on. Green candle formation aglatli. We can get into trade if it forms a huge green candle. Okay, 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 super. Premium prices are also moving. Heavy spike bartu nodralli. I think we can easily get 1:4 as well as a target. So I'll keep marked it as 1:4 also. Illi tanaka mark madu ittirtini. Then we can. Okay, I think we are okay. We are into trade. Let's see, let's see, let's see. Position is executed right now, so we are into trade. We'll wait and watch. Okay. 1:2 is this level, 1:4 is this level. So yav reeti on spike il note bank nifty na it is giving a huge spike. So I think we should get a huge spike in Nifty as well. We just have to wait and watch. Let's see. We are into trade. Our trade has executed at this point. He'll initiate again. If it takes stop loss, then this is the worst part. One day candle ni stop loss ತಗೊಂತಲ್ಲ. Come on, come on. Once proper spike ಬಂದ್ರೆ ಸಾಕು, will be in a very good profit. ಬಟ್ 2 ದಿನದಿಂದ ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್ನ ಅಷ್ಟು ಮೊಮೆಂಟಮ್ ಬರಂಗಿಲ್ಲ ಇದು ಅನ್ಕೋರಿ. Come on bro, we are close to SL. I don't want to take SL. Premium price is moving around 139 and 140 something, but let's see, we are close to SL. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ SL ನೇ ಉಳ್ಕೊಂಡಿವಿ. We'll have a look. Bank Nifty is also trying to go up. Same way Nifty ನು ಒಂದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಸ್ಪೈಕ್ ಬಂದ್ರೆ ಸಾಕು, ಆರಾಮ್ಸೆ ಮೇಲೆ ಹೋಗ್ತದೆ ಅನ್ಕೋರಿ. I don't know when that spike will be happening. Okay, come on, come on, come on. I think this will take our SL. Okay. So we took SL guys. It's okay. Proper on confirmation के साथ enter ಆಗಿದ್ವಿ, but still it's trying to reverse. It's totally fine. Let's see. ಈಗ SL ತಗೊಂಡು ಮೇಲೆ ಹೋಗಬಾರ್ದು. SL ನಮ್ದು SL ತಗೊಂಡು ಮೇಲೆ ಹೋಗ್ತದೆ. So this is a difficult part to digest. One second, let's see what it will do ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ. Unless and until ಈ ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಲೆವೆಲ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ತನಕ ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಆಗಂಗಿಲ್ಲಲ್ಲ, ಸೊ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ತನಕ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಬಿ ಬುಲ್ಲಿಶ್ ಅಂಡ್ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಬಿ ಕಾನ್ಫಿಡೆಂಟ್ ಇನಫ್ ದಟ್ ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಗೋ ಅಪ್ ಅಂತ. ಯಾವಾಗ ಈ ಲೆವೆಲ್ ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಆಗಿ ಕೆಳಗೆ ಬರ್ತಲ್ಲ, ದೆನ್ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅ ವರಿಡ್ ಸಿನಾರಿಯೋ. ಲೆಟ್ಸ್ ಸಿ ಇಫ್ ವಿ ಗೆಟ್ ಅ ಚಾನ್ಸ್, ದೆನ್ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ರೀ ಎಂಟರ್ ಒನ್ಸ್ ಅಗೇನ್. So bank nifty nu ಈ lower channel ಕಿನ್ನ ಕೆಳಗೆ ಬರಲಾಗಿದೆ ಅನ್ಕೋರಿ. If in case ಬಂದ್ರು it is trying to give fake breakout and then trying to go up. So even this shows that there is strength in market. let's see, again it is trying to form green candles. Okay, at least minimum will capture around 20 points. ಈ ಟ್ರೇಡ್ ನ ಎಂಟರ್ ಆದ್ವಲ್ಲ ಆರಾಮ್ಸೆ 20 ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಕ್ಯಾಪ್ಚರ್ ಮಾಡಲೇಬೇಕು. ಲೆಟ್ಸ್ ಸಿ ವೆದರ್ ವಿಲ್ ಗೆಟ್ ಅ ಟ್ರೇಡ್ ಆರ್ ನಾಟ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ. I think we can get into trade once again. Premium prices are very much strong, so our next entry point will be somewhere here above this red candle. So e red candle male our entry will be, and this will be the SL. Okay, so let's see, this will be the second trade, because I can see there is strength in the buyers, because e level defend ಮಾಡ್ಲತ್ತರ ಅನ್ಕೋರ. Every time they are trying to defend this level. This is the reason market is trying to stay bullish at this level. So I'm waiting for this level to cross, then our positions will be initiated. Let's see. Come on, come on, come on. Again, logic behind this trade, at this level there is a seller level, idu seller level. Above this level they will be having SLs. E level cross aitandre immediately you should get a green candle, something like this, within 1 minute. So this is what is my expectation right now. I might be wrong as well, so if I am wrong I'll accept it. If I'm right I'll accept it. Okay. So let's see. As I said, il call raters note now. Nifty nega call raters 25,450 level and 500 level. There are huge call sellers. So call sellers are ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ they are trying to take market down. So ಅವ್ರು ಅಷ್ಟು ಈಸಿಲಿ ಬಿಟ್ ಕೊಡಂಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅನ್ಕೋರ್. ಅವ್ರು ಒಂದ್ಸರ್ತಿ ಬಿಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟ ಮೇಲೆನೆ market should boom. But first priority will be they won't give up easily. So that is the reason market is trying to sustain at the same level. Okay, come on, come on, come on, super. We are getting a spike. $137, $138 trade aglattu price alli. Okay, so we are into trade right now. So our position is executed over here. So let's see. In case idunu trade SL ತಗೊಂತಲ್ಲ, then I think we will not be trading much today. Come on, superb. Within one gone we can get a green candle over here, something like this. Come on, in green candle ಬರ್ಬೇಕು ಅನ್ಕೋ, then this will give us a huge probability. Come on, come on, come on, superb, shabash. A huge spike bandre, this will be like next level ankor, but provided it should form a green candle. It is not trying to form. Again, premium price is kind of volatile over here. Okay, come on. फुल एकदम बिल्कुल साइडवेज ಆಗ್ಲತ್ತ ಅನ್ಕೋರ್ ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್. In case ಇದನ್ನು ಎಸ್ ಎಲ್ ತಗೊಂತಲ್ಲ, then they will be closing for the day. There is no necessity of trading today. Okay, premium prices are moving. Come on, super. Premium prices are moving, but spot price is not moving. Oh, come on, next level. ಒಂದೇ ಒಂದು ಸ್ಪೈಕ್ ಬಂದ್ರೆ ಸಾಕಿಲ್ಲಿ. ಎಷ್ಟು ವೆಯ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬಾರ್ದು ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಲಿ, ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ ಒಂದೇ ಸರ್ತಿ ಸ್ಪೈಕ್ ಬರಬೇಕು. ಐ ಡೋಂಟ್ ನೋ ವೈ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಟೇಕಿಂಗ್ ಸೋ ಮಚ್ ಆಫ್ ಟೈಮ್. ಓಕೆ ಓಕೆ, ಕಮ್ ಆನ್ ಕಮ್ ಆನ್. ಇವನ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಪೈಕ್ ಬರ್ಲತ್ತರ ಪ್ರೀಮಿಯಂ ಪ್ರೈಸಸ್ನಾಗ ದೇರ್ ಇಸ್ ನೋ ಮಚ್ ಮೊಮೆಂಟಮ್. This is kind of worried scenario. Let's see. In case it is stop loss ತಗೊಂತಲ್ಲ guys, so we'll be closing for the day. I don't want to trade unnecessarily. Okay, we'll just stick to the rules. Okay, come on. Small spike ಬರ್ಲಕ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಗ್ಲತ್ತದ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. I think it should give a huge spike. Okay, 137, come on. ಒಂದೇ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ ಸ್ಪೈಕ್ ಬಂದ್ರೂ ಪ್ರೀಮಿಯಂ ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ಫುಲ್ ಶೂಟ್ ಅಪ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ ಅನ್ಕೋರಿ. So that is what I'm waiting for, but the scenario is not at all happening. Okay, 138. ಸೊ ಈ ಸೆಲ್ಲರ್ ಲೆವೆಲ್ ಏನಾರ ಡಿಫೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಅನ್ಕೋರಿ ಇವರು, ಈ ಸೆಲ್ಲರ್ ಲೆವೆಲ್ ಏನದಲ್ಲ, ಇಫ್ ದೇ ಡಿಫೆಂಡ್ ದಿಸ್ ಝೋನ್ ದೆನ್ ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಗೆಟ್ ಅ ಹ್ಯೂಜ್ ರೆಡ್ ಕ್ಯಾಂಡಲ್ ಆಸ್ ವೆಲ್. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ತನಕ ಫುಲ್ ಹೆವಿ ಬೈ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂತವ್ರ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ವಿಲ್ ಗೆಟ್ ಎ ಹ್ಯೂಜ್ ರೆಡ್ ಕ್ಯಾಂಡಲ್ ಟಿಲ್ ದಿಸ್ ಲೆವೆಲ್ ಆಸ್ ವೆಲ್. ಇಲ್ಲಾಂದ್ರೆ ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಗೆಟ್ ಎ ಹ್ಯೂಜ್ ಗ್ರೀನ್ ಕ್ಯಾಂಡಲ್. ಎರಡರನ್ನೇ ಒಂದು ಆಗ್ಬೇಕಿಲ್ಲಿ. ಸೊ ಲೆಟ್ಸ್ ಸಿ ವಾಟ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಹ್ಯಾಪನ್. Market is kind of becoming difficult these days. Last month full easy too. I don't know why in July month it is kind of complicated. Red candle form ಆಗಬಾರ್ದು. red candle form ಆದರೆ it will be a very big red candle. Let's have a look at 5 minutes and 15 minutes once. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕ್ಲಾರಿಟಿ ಸಿಗ್ಬೋದು. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ಲಿ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಇನ್ ಅ ಸೈಡ್ ವೇಸ್ ಝೋನ್. ಸೈಡ್ ವೇಸ್ ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್ನಾಗ ಅದು ಅನ್ಕೋರಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವುದೇ ರೀತಿ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ ಡಿಸಿಷನ್ ತೊಗೊಳಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗಂಗಿಲ್ಲ ಆಗ್ಯದ. ಬಟ್ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಕೈಂಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಹೈ ಪ್ರಾಬಬಿಲಿಟಿ ಟ್ರೇಡ್ ಅಕಾರ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಮೀ. ಐ ಡೋಂಟ್ ನೋ ವೈ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್. ಅಗೇನ್ ಕೆಳಗೆ ಬಂದರೆ ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಅ ವೆರಿ ಬಿಗ್ ಗ್ರೀನ್ ಕ್ಯಾಂಡಲ್. ಎಲ್ಲ ಬಯರ್ ಸರ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇಟ್ ಶುಡ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಅ ವೆರಿ ಗ್ರೇಟ್ ಕ್ಯಾಂಡಲ್ ಟು ಮೇಕ್ ದೆಮ್ ಔಟ್. Okay, I think we will be out of this trade as well. If I go to 15 minutes, okay, 15 minutes now. I think this is a channel over here. It is trying to respect the channel. Okay. ಈ ಲೆವೆಲ್ ಮೊದಲೇ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ I think we wouldn't have taken trade at this point. गलती हो गया मेरे दोस्त. Come on bro, we did a mistake. 15 minutes time frame I marked this channel when I was doing a top down analysis starting of the video. ಅದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ 1 minute ಗೆ ಯಾವ ಶಿಫ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದಲ್ಲ ಅವಾಗ I did not mark this level because this is a strong resistance level and this is also upper channel level, so this can act as a very strong resistance. So that is the reason it is struggling to cross this level and we are trying to take trade at this level. This is the biggest mistake. Okay, we already took a trade. Let's wait. Either it'll exit as a stop loss or as a target. Trade ತಗೊಂಡು ಅಂದ್ಮೇಲೆ we'll just keep it. Nothing much to worry. So 15 minutes candle close ಆಗಲಕ್ಕೆ ಇನ್ನು 5 minutes ಅದ ಅನ್ಕೋರಿ. Let's see how this 5 minutes, how this candle will close in next 5 minutes. Okay, it's okay, mistakes will happen. Okay, Ethereum is trying to form a green candle. Okay. 1 hour candle close ಆಗ್ಲಕ್ಕೆ ಇನ್ನು 4 minutes ಅದ ಅನ್ಕೋರಲ್ಲಿ. Okay, In case 1 hour candle, if it closes above this level, then I can enter into this trade keeping this as a stop loss around 12 points, and target will be around 1:2. Let's see. This is the plan in Ethereum, but Bitcoin, I think I have to wait for some more time. Let's see. Okay, coming back to this, I think this took our SL. Okay, this is SL, guys. We'll avoid for the day. I don't think so today is a great day to trade. Back to back ಎರಡು SL ತಗೊಂಡ್ವಿ. So even in my own positions, I think I'm in loss, personal trades. So even I booked losses over here, so I think I'll be not trading for today. I'll be winding up. Let's see. ಎರಡು ಟ್ರೇಡ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ವಿ, ಎರಡು ಸಕ್ಸಸ್ಫುಲಿ ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ಲಾಸ್. Let's see. I'll wait for another 5 to 10 minutes and then I'll close the live stream. So mistake what I learned from this trade is 15 minutes time frame ne ಹೋಗೇ ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲ ನಾನು. 15 minutes time frame ne if I see ಅಲ್ಲ, so this was moving in a channel. So ಈ ಚಾನಲ್ ಅಪ್ಪರ್ ಚಾನಲ್ ರಿಜೆಕ್ಷನ್ ತಗೊಂಡು ಕೆಳಗೆ ಬರೋದು ಇದು ವೆರಿ ಬೇಸಿಕ್ ಕಾಮನ್ ಸೆನ್ಸ್. ಬಟ್ ನಾನು ನೋಡೇ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅನ್ಕೋರಿ ಚಾರ್ಟ್. I didn't even move it to 15 minutes time frame and I was not even marking. When market was sustaining at this level ಅಲ್ಲ, so ಯಾಕೆ ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಸಸ್ಟೈನ್ ಆಗ್ಲತ್ತ ಅಂತ I got a doubt. So ಅವಾಗ when I checked it, it was moving in a channel. Then I realized, okay, so this was not the right trade and that. Okay, so mistakes will happen, but correcting those mistakes is very much important. Okay, same thing repeatedly ಅದೇ ಮಿಸ್ಟೇಕ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಆ ಮಿಸ್ಟೇಕಿಗೆ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಇರಂಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅನ್ಕೋರಿ. ಸೊ it is better to make mistakes, but try to correct in next time so that you won't repeat the same mistake. But in upcoming days ಏನನ್ನ ಬ್ರೇಕ್ಔಟ್ ಬತ್ತಲ್ಲ, I think easily Nifty will move till this level. ಆರಾಮ್ಸೆ around 200 points easily move ಆಗ್ತದೆ. Within next Thursday ತನಕ I think I am expecting this move. Let's see. Okay, again it is trying to go up right now. Let's see. Oh bhai sahab. Banknifty is also totally sideways. Nifty is also totally sideways. Oh bhai, क्या चल रहा है यहाँ पे? ನಮ್ದೆಲ್ಲ ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ಲಾಸಸ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ಮೇಲೆ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಟ್ರೈಂಗ್ ಟು ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಅ ಗ್ರೀನ್ ಕ್ಯಾಂಡಲ್. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಚೀಟಿಂಗ್ ಬ್ರೋ. ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟಿಂದ ಔಟ್ ಆಗಿಬಿಟ್ಟಿವಿ ನಾವು ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ. ಸೊ ನಾವು ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಟ್ರೈಂಗ್ ಟು ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಅ ಗ್ರೀನ್ ಕ್ಯಾಂಡಲ್. ಲೆಟ್ಸ್ ಸಿ ಇಫ್ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಗೆಟ್ ಇನ್ ಟು ಟ್ರೇಡ್. ಬಟ್ ನೌ ಐ ವೇಟ್ ಅಬೌವ್ ದಿಸ್ ಲೆವೆಲ್. ಇದೇನು ಝೋನ್ ಅದಲ್ಲ, ಇದೊಂದು ಅಪ್ಪರ್ ಚಾನಲ್. ಈ ಲೆವೆಲ್ ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಆಗೋ ತನಕ ಐ ವೋಂಟ್ ಬಿ ಟೇಕಿಂಗ್ ಟ್ರೇಡ್, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ನೌ ಐ ಗಾಟ್ ಟು ನೋ ದಟ್ ದಿಸ್ can act as a strong resistance level. If I go to 15 minutes and show you, you'll get much more clarity. So this is the level. So ಇದೊಂದು ಲೆವೆಲ್ ಏನದಲ್ಲ, ಸ್ಟ್ರಾಂಗ್ ರೆಸಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಲೆವೆಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗೋದು, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ there is a upper channel over here and there is also a resistance level over here. So anytime it can be rejecting from this level and falling a huge red candle, forming a huge red candle. But again ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ರಿ ನೀವು, ಈ ಕ್ಯಾಂಡಲ್ ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ it is trying to form a huge wick. So this candle clearly shows that buyers are strong at this level and there are sellers at this level. There is no clarity ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಮೇಲ್ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕಾ ಅಥವಾ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬಾರ್ದಾ ಅಂತ, because this candle is clearly showing that From this level buyers are dominating and they took till this level, and if you see above level there are sellers over here. Not heavy red candle form aglatil, so there is no clarity. So this can act as a very strong resistance and very strong upper channel. Shabash. So we luckily we exited our stop loss at this point. In case stop loss ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇಟ್ಟಿರಲಿಲ್ಲ, heavy red candle form ಆಗಿ entire capital wipe out ಆಗೋ chances ಇರ್ತದೆ. So this was acting as a huge resistance, so we would have avoided the trade, but it's okay. At least small SL na exit ಆಗಿವಿ. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ರಿ heavy red candle formation ಆಗ್ಲತ್ತದ. Oh bhai saab, if I see in green, oh shit, 1 minute time frame ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ heavy red candle. So I think we can go for downside trade if everything goes well. Let's see ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಮ್ಯಾನಿಪುಲೇಷನ್ ಆಗ್ಲತ್ತದ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇಷ್ಟೋ ತನಕ ಒಂದು ಸೈಡ್ ವೇಸ್ ಝೋನ್ ಆಗಿತ್ತು ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್. Now all of a sudden red candle. This is not the best time to trade right now because something is going wrong. ಇಷ್ಟು ರೆಡ್ ಕ್ಯಾಂಡಲ್ ಫಾರ್ಮೇಷನ್ ಆಗೋದು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ರೆಡ್ ಕ್ಯಾಂಡಲ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಆಗಿತ್ತಲ್ಲ, ಸೇಮ್ ರೀತಿ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಟ್ರೈಂಗ್ ಟು ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಓವರ್ ಹಿಯರ್. I don't know what exactly is happening in market. ಯಾರೋ ಹೆವಿ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಡಂಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲತ್ತಾರ ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್ನಾಗ. ಲೆಟ್ಸ್ ಸಿ. ಬಟ್ ಇಂಥ ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್ನಾಗ ಯಾವುದೇ ರೀತಿ ಟ್ರೇಡ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋ ಕಾನ್ಫಿಡೆನ್ಸೇ ಬರಂಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅನ್ಕೋರಿ. ಇವನ್ ದೋ ಇಫ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ಇನ್ ರೈಟ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್, ಒಂದು ಇಂಥ ಕ್ಯಾಂಡಲ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಆಯ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೂ ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಟೇಕ್ ಯುವರ್ SL. ಪೂರ್ತಿ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಲಿಕ್ವಿಡಿಟಿ ಗ್ರ್ಯಾಬ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಟ್ರೆಂಡ್ ಅಂಡ್ ದೆನ್ ಯು ವಿಲ್ ನಾಟ್ ಬಿ ಹ್ಯಾವಿಂಗ್ ಮಚ್ ಕಾನ್ಫಿಡೆನ್ಸ್ enough to take a trade. So trade ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋಕೆ you must have the confidence first and then comes the capital. ಕಾನ್ಫಿಡೆನ್ಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತಂದ್ರು ನಿಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ 10 ಲಕ್ಷ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಇದ್ರು ಯು ವೋಂಟ್ ಪಂಚ್ ಈವನ್ ಅ ಸಿಂಗಲ್ ಟ್ರೇಡ್. ಬಟ್ ಕಾನ್ಫಿಡೆನ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ದು ಬರೀ ನಿಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ 10,000 ಇದ್ರೂ ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಟ್ರೈ ಟು ಪಂಚ್ ಅ ಟ್ರೇಡ್ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ದ ನಾಲೆಜ್, ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ದ ಕಾನ್ಫಿಡೆನ್ಸ್. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಹೌ ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್ ವರ್ಕ್ಸ್. लेट्स सी ब्रो, आज का दिन तो उतना सही नहीं चल रहा. ನಿನ್ನೆನೂ ಆಲ್ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ವೇಸ್ ಇತ್ತು, ಇವತ್ತು ಆಲ್ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ವೇಸ್. ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಟ್ರೈಂಗ್ ಟು ಗ್ರ್ಯಾಬ್ ದ ಲಿಕ್ವಿಡಿಟಿ ಆನ್ ಬೋತ್ ಬಾಟಮ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಟಾಪ್. ಸೊ ಇಫ್ ಯು ಸಿ ಯಸ್ಟರ್ಡೇಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಟುಡೇಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಇದು ಒಂದು ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಝೋನಿಗೆ ಮೂವ್ ಆಗ್ಲತ್ತದ ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್. Okay, Ethereum above this level I'll be going for bullish trade. Let's see. Bitcoin is trying to form a bullish candle, but there is a very slow momentum in Bitcoin. It's slow momentum ne maza irangilla ankori. Ekdam danadan move barbeku andaglene it will be interesting to trade. ಇನ್ನೊಬ್ರು ಯಾರೋ ಲೈವ್ ಜಾಯಿನ್ ಆಗ್ಯಾರ. ಐ ಡೋಂಟ್ ನೋ ಹೂ ಇಸ್ ದಿಸ್ ಪರ್ಸನ್. ಹೌ ಆರ್ ಯು ಬ್ರೋ? ಲೆಟ್ಸ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಅ ಟಾಕ್. Oh, let's see JP Power. Yesterday was JP Power full boom nagittu. Today what it is trying to do? JP Power. Okay, so ivattu almost 24 already reach agadallappa. So yesterday's analysis na ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೇನೆ. In case ನೀವು ನಿನ್ನೆ ಚಾರ್ಟ್ ತೆಗೆದು ನೋಡಿದ್ರಲ್ಲ, JP Power can reach till 24 and then it can come down ಅಂತೇಳಿ. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಅಗೇನ್ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಸೈಡ್ ವೇಸ್ ಆಗಿ ಇಫ್ ಇಟ್ ಗೋಸ್ ಅಪ್ ದೆನ್ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಟೋಟಲಿ ಫೈನ್. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಸೈಡ್ ವೇಸ್ ಆಗಿ ಇಫ್ ಇಟ್ ಗೋಸ್ ಅಪ್ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಫೈನ್. ಇಲ್ಲಾಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಅಗೇನ್ ಇಟ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಕಮ್ ಫಾರ್ ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಕರೆಕ್ಷನ್. if you ask me a proper correction level then it will be somewhere around ಈ ಲೆವೆಲ್ ಅನ್ಕೋರ್ 0.5 but 0.6 21 to 20 ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ಲೆವೆಲ್ ತನಕ ವಾಪಸ್ ಬಂದು ಅಗೇನ್ ಇಟ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಟ್ರೆಂಡ್. Okay, so 24 ಅಂತೂ ರೀಚ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ವಾಸ್ ಅವರ್ 24 ರೀಚ್. ಓಕೆ, 23.8 is the highest, 23.84. Okay, so just 20 paisa aste. But again, this is a very good move. You can hold your trades, or if you want to book partial profit, then you can book at this point right now. Oh shit bro, vibrate aglattu. 1 second guys, yaro call ಮಾಡ್ಲತ್ತಾರ ಅನ್ಸ್ಲತ್ತು. ಮೊಬೈಲ್ ವೈಬ್ರೇಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಟ್ರೈಂಗ್ ಟು ಫಾಲ್. ಒಂದೇ 1 second ಟೈಮ್ ಕೊಡ್ರಿ. Okay, I'm so sorry for the inconvenience. Okay, so 24, almost 23.84 reach agade ankore. You can book partial profit at this level if you want to be in a safe zone. Illa antandre again you can just hold it and you can carry this. Elli tanaka hogutadu anteli namಗೂ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. We just have to carry the trend. Okay, let's see. I hope this is perfect. यहाँ पे तो कुछ गड़बड़ चल रहा है. इस इंता लेवल विक फॉर्मेशन ರೀಸೆಂಟ್ಲಿ ಪಾಸ್ಟ್ 1 to 2 months ನಾಗಂತೂ ನೋಡೇ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅನ್ಕೋರಿ ನಾ ನಿಫ್ಟಿ ಅಂಡ್ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ನಿಫ್ಟಿನೇ. ಸಮಥಿಂಗ್ ಇಸ್ ರಾಂಗ್. ಜೇನ್ ಸ್ಟ್ರೀಟ್ ಸ್ಕ್ಯಾಮ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಆಲ್ ಏನೇನೋ ನಡೆದ ಸೀನ್ಸ್ ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್ನಾಗ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. ಜೇನ್ ಸ್ಟ್ರೀಟ್ ನ್ಯೂಸ್ accused of market manipulation in India. BSE shares down since SEBI crackdown on Jane Street. Okay. कुछ तो स्कैम चल रहा है यहाँ पे. What is HDFC Bank doing? HDFC Bank target, my target is at around 2123 encore. So I made a ಯಾವಾಗೂ ಒಂದು ಸರ್ತಿ ಅನಾಲಿಸಿಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೆ ಇದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ. So that is why I think there is a marking over here. I think this was our entry point somewhere. This was our entry point and this was the stop loss. Target is around 1:4. 174 points is a target. Let's say it should give us a target. Properly ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಅನ್ಕೋರಿ. I can see a trend line over here as well. So the trend line breakout ಆಯ್ತು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ easily you can get a huge up move once again. If I see ICICI Bank, Kotak, oh IDFC Bank, actually this is the right time to buy. ನಿನ್ನೆ ಯಾವಾಗೂ ಅನಾಲಿಸಿಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲತ್ತಿದೆ ನಾ. If I go to weekly time frame ಅಲ್ಲ, it's forming a huge green candle. So ನೋಡ್ರಿ next level on trend line breakout ಆಗಿದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. So clearly it is forming higher price action as well. And I think there are all the possibility chances that it will reach till this level. This level is around 100 rupees within next 1 month. But again at this point it is bit ಜಾಸ್ತಿ momentum ಕೊಟ್ಟದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. So what I will consider is entering at around 70 rupees was the right entry point. Right now it is trading at 77 rupees. One small pullback barely, then you can enter into this IDFC Bank. So illello entry point ಕೊಟ್ಟು we can keep this as stop loss and target will be till this level. If you want me to show in the markings, I'll show you. This will be the entry point around 70 to 72 points and sorry 70 rupees to 72 rupees you can enter somewhere, and you can keep 5 to 6 rupees as SL, and target will be around 26 rupees, which is close to 1:4, 1:5. This is my pure analysis. ಯಾವುದೇ ರೀತಿ trade recommendation ಅಲ್ಲ. Please do research before taking a trade. This is just my own analysis. Okay, just wait for a proper pullback. In case ಇಲ್ಲೇ enter ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ it's well and good, you can hold the trade. If not, wait for a pullback and then you can enter into trade. Okay, again it is trying to form wick over here. ಖುದ್ ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟಿಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ಲತ್ತದ ಇದು, and it is trying to trap each and every one, buyers and sellers both. Okay, I don't think so we'll get a proper trade over here. It's better to close for the day. ನಾಳೆ ವೆಡ್ನೆಸ್ಡೇ ಮತ್ತು ಥರ್ಸ್ಡೇ ಐ ಥಿಂಕ್ ಲಿಕ್ವಿಡಿಟಿ ಇರ್ತದೆ ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್ನಾಗ. ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಗೆಟ್ ಇನ್ ಟು ಟ್ರೇಡ್ at that particular time. Let's see. But right now I don't think so there is proper momentum in market. Some liquidity grab ಮಾಡ್ಲಕ್ market is trying to go up, go down. So ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಇಂಥ ರೆಡ್ ಕ್ಯಾಂಡಲ್ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲೂ ಪ್ರೀವಿಯಸ್ಲಿ ತೋರಿಸ್ತೀನಿ. ಯಾವುದೇ ರೆಡ್ ಕ್ಯಾಂಡಲ್ ಇಷ್ಟು ಹೆವಿ ರೆಡ್ ಕ್ಯಾಂಡಲ್ ಫಾರ್ಮೇಷನ್ ಇಲ್ವೇ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಗೋ ಥ್ರೂ ದ ಪ್ರೀವಿಯಸ್ ಚಾರ್ಟ್ ಸಮ್ವೇರ್ ಇಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲೋ ಫಾರ್ಮೇಷನ್ ಆಗ್ಯದ. ಬಟ್ ಅಗೇನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಸಮ್ವೇರ್ ನಿಯರ್ ಕ್ಲೋಸಿಂಗ್ 14:30. ಸೊ ವೆರಿ ರೇರ್ ಆ ಟೈಪ್ ಕ್ಯಾಂಡಲ್ ಫಾರ್ಮೇಷನ್ ಆಗ್ಯದ. ಇನ್ ಕೇಸ್ ಆ ಥರ ಫಾರ್ಮೇಷನ್ ಆಗಿತ್ತಂದ್ರೂ ದೆರ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ ಫಾಲೋ ಥ್ರೂ, ಬಟ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ದೆರ್ ಇಸ್ ನೋ ಫಾಲೋ ಥ್ರೂ. ಸೊ ಒನ್ ಮೋರ್ ಟಾಪಿಕ್ ವಿಲ್ ಟೆಲ್ ಯು. ಸೊ ಇನ್ ಕೇಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ರೆಡ್ ಕ್ಯಾಂಡಲ್ ಇದು ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಆಗ್ಯದಲ್ಲ, ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ ರೆಡ್ ಕ್ಯಾಂಡಲ್. ಸೊ ಇದ್ರ ಜೊತೆ ಫಾಲೋ ಥ್ರೂ ರೆಡ್ ಕ್ಯಾಂಡಲ್ ಬಂದಿತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ ಆಕ್ಚುಯಲ್ ಬ್ರೇಕ್ಔಟ್ ಆರ್ ಬ್ರೇಕ್ ಡೌನ್ ಆರ್ ವಾಟ್ ಎವರ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಕಾಲ್. ಬಟ್ ರೆಡ್ ಕ್ಯಾಂಡಲ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಆಗಿ ಗ್ರೀನ್ ಕ್ಯಾಂಡಲ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಆಗ್ಲತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಪ್ಯೂರ್ ಕೈಂಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಮ್ಯಾನಿಪುಲೇಷನ್ ಆರ್ ಲಿಕ್ವಿಡಿಟಿ ಹಂಟಿಂಗ್. ಸೊ ಇವನ್ ಇಲ್ಲೂ ನೋಡ್ಬೋದು, ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ಡ್ ಅ ರೆಡ್ ಕ್ಯಾಂಡಲ್, ದೆರ್ ಇಸ್ ನೋ ಫಾಲೋ ಥ್ರೂ. Again back to back there is a green candle. So this is purely a liquidity grab or a stop loss hunting. You'll note again it is trying to form green candle right now. So there is no proper clarity in market. So let's see. So again we can enter into trade, but unnecessary over trading ಆಗ್ತದೆ ಅನ್ಸ್ಲತ್ತದ. So this is the reason we'll just wait for some more time and let's see. 2 o'clock ಆಗ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ enough 17 minutes ಅದ. Let's see what can happen. But again, what if market goes up again? ಇದೇ ರೀತಿ ರೆಡ್ ಕ್ಯಾಂಡಲ್ ಫಾರ್ಮೇಷನ್ ಆಯ್ತಲ್ಲ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಲೆವೆಲ್ ಬೇವಕೂಫ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಅನಿಸ್ತು ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. ಪ್ಯೂರ್ ಟ್ರ್ಯಾಪ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಟ್ರ್ಯಾಪ್. ಸೊ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಬೆಟರ್ ಟು ವೇಟ್ ಫಾರ್ ಫ್ಯೂ ಮೋರ್ ಮಿನಿಟ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ದೆನ್ ಕಮ್ ಟು ಅನ್ ಕನ್ಕ್ಲೂಷನ್. ಫುಲ್ ಎಮೋಷನ್ಸ್ ಜೊತೆ ಆಟ ಆಡ್ಲತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್. Let's see, I'll keep it like this. I'll just have a look. We'll watch market what it is trying to do ಅಂತ. Price action ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಫಾರ್ಮೇಷನ್ ಆಗ್ಲತ್ತದ. ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಟು ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಗ್ರೀನ್ ಕ್ಯಾಂಡಲ್ ಫಾರ್ಮೇಷನ್ ಆದ್ರೂ ಐ ಆಮ್ ನಾಟ್ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟೆಡ್. ಐ ವಾಂಟ್ ಅ ಪುಲ್ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಅಂಡ್ ದೆನ್ ಇಫ್ ಇನ್ ಕೇಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಅ ಗ್ರೀನ್ ಕ್ಯಾಂಡಲ್, then that is kind of interesting. Again back to back green candle formation agi, it will trap us in a downside. Again ಯಾವ ಸ್ಟಾಕ್ಸ್ ನೋಡ್ಬೋದು, ರಿಲಯನ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ರಿಲಯನ್ಸ್ ಐ ಡೋಂಟ್ ಥಿಂಕ್ ಸೊ. ಇದೇನದಪ್ಪ ಇಲ್ಲಿ, ಕಾಂಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ ಸ್ವಿಚ್, ನೋ ಐಡಿಯಾ. Okay, it is trying to form a green candle. ಒಂದು ಅಂಜಿಕೆ ಏನದಂದ್ರೆ ಇದು ಟ್ರ್ಯಾಪ್ ಮಾಡಿಸ್ಬಾರ್ದು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಅಂತ. You can get into trade if in case it is a proper actual breakout. Okay, let's wait till 2 o'clock. 2 o'clock ತನಕ let's have a look what it is trying to do ಅಂತೇಳಿ. So this is not the trade right now. I'm just keeping it like this. So I want this level to be breaked out. ಈ resistance level ಮತ್ತು ಇದು channel breakout ಬರಬೇಕು. Only then I can get into trade. Okay. Let's see 5 minutes time frame what it is trying to tell. Okay, back to back bullish candle, superb. Let's wait with patience. One ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಈ level cross ಆಗಲಿ, then we can get into trade. Okay, ಇಷ್ಟೋ ತನಕನೇ ವೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಒಂದು ಇನ್ನ 5-10 ಮಿನಿಟ್ಸ್ ವೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಯಾವುದೇ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅನಿಸ್ತು ನನಗೆ. I'll be initiating somewhere above this level. Provided candle should be closing above this level, something like this. Andaga I can go for an upside trade. Let's see. We will wait for a proper entry point. What Ethereum is doing, 1 second guys. 4 hour. Oh shit, ವಾಪಸ್ bullish candle formation ಆಗ್ಲತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. This is the time to enter into Ethereum, I guess. Wait, let's focus one by one. Even Nifty is trying to break out. Okay, I think Ethereum is looking perfect to go for an upside trade, but let's wait. Bank Nifty no 50% level ಮೇಲೆ ಹೋಗಬೇಕು, then I'll be confident to get into Ethereum trade. ಧೋಕೆಬಾಜ್ ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್ ಮೂಮೆಂಟಮ್ಮೇ ಕೊಡಂಗಿಲ್ಲ ಇದು ಅನ್ಕೋರಿ. See again, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಟ್ರೇಡ್ ತೊಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಟ್ರೈಂಗ್ ಟು ರೆಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟ್ ದಿಸ್ ಅಪ್ಪರ್ ಚಾನಲ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಟ್ರೈಂಗ್ ಟು ಕಮ್ ಡೌನ್. ಸೊ ಒನ್ಸ್ ಇದು ಅಪ್ಪರ್ ಚಾನಲ್ ಬ್ರೇಕ್ಔಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಇನ್ ಕೇಸ್ ಕ್ಯಾಂಡಲ್ ಈ ರೀತಿ ಸಸ್ಟೇನ್ ಆಯ್ತಲ್ಲ, ದೆನ್ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಗೆಟ್ ಇನ್ ಟು ಟ್ರೇಡ್. ಓಕೆ, so I'll wait for some more time for this Ethereum. So unless and until Bitcoin is the level cross ಆಗ ತನಕ I will not be initiating trade. Okay, unnecessary trap ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಮಾಡಿಸ್ಬೋದು ಇದು. We'll wait for a proper confirmation and then get into trade. Okay, let's see. Okay, it is trying to break out. We can consider this as a small support level. Okay. Okay, breakout ಬರೋ chances ಅದ ಇಲ್ಲಿ almost it is trying to break out. Let's see, let's have a look. Let's wait for confirmation and then get into trade. So if 5 minutes candle close ಆಗ್ಲಕ್ಕೆ ಇನ್ನ 3 minutes ಅದ ಅನ್ಕೋರಿ, we'll wait for 3 minutes. In case ಏನ heavy bullish candle close ಆಯ್ತಲ್ಲ above this level, then we can go for a trade. Last and best trade. Okay. Come on, come on, come on. ಎರಡು ಚಾರ್ಟ್ 5 minutes time frame ಇಟ್ಟಿರ್ತೀನಿ, so that we'll get to know what exactly is happening in 5 minutes. Okay, premium price is also moving super. We'll wait for another 2 minutes. 2 minutes nag I think it should break out. It is trying to break out. Come on, super. One 37, 138. One more minute, guys. One ನಿಮಿಷ wait ಮಾಡಮು. ಅದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ we can jump into a conclusion. 15 minutes time frame candle will be closing above this level. Let's see. I'm just waiting for 5 minutes and 15 minutes candle, how exactly it will close on trade. So in case the wick formation ಕೆಳಗೆ close ಆಯ್ತಲ್ಲ, I will not be going for a trade. In case the bullish candle close ಆಯ್ತಲ್ಲ, I will be going for a trade. 20 seconds more. Come on, come on, come on. Okay, I think it is trying to close as a bullish candle. Five minutes candle close agide illi. So let's see, let's keep things ready. One second, guys. I'm observing the premium prices. So above this level, I think we can go for last and best trade. Above this level. Okay, so this will be the SL 7 points. Let's see. Target will be around 1:2. If we get into trade, it's totally fine. Illa will close for the day. Let's see. $137, $136 is the premium price right now. Let's see. Above this level, so in a trade initiate agilla, I am just marking based on these levels. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ rejection ತಗೊಂಡದಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ಲಿಂದ I want to continue my trade. So that is the reason I mark this level. Stop loss will be below this level, around 7 points, 7 to 8 points. ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ ಒಂದು ಹೈ ಸ್ಪೈಕ್ ಬರಬೇಕಿಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದ್ರೆ, ಇಫ್ ನಾಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಕ್ಲೋಸಿಂಗ್ ಫಾರ್ ದ ಡೇ ವಿತೌಟ್ ಮಚ್ ಥಿಂಕಿಂಗ್. above this level we'll be getting into trade above this level. Okay, this will be the SL. I don't think so. Again, market will go up. Premium price 138 ಇದೆ, ವಾಪಸ್ 135 ಬರ್ಲತ್ತು. I need a quick spike, bro. Come on. $135, $136 range nage momentum ಕೊಡ್ಲತ್ತು premium price. It should cross 140 at least. Still 135, 136. I don't think so we will get a proper trade, guys. So with this we'll be closing the live stream. We took 2 trades, 2 were SL, 2 SL ತಗೊಂತು ನಮ್ದು ಈ ಲೆವೆಲ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಹೋದ್ರೆ I thought of getting into trade, but again it is not trying to cross this level, so it's better not to take a trade for today. We'll wind up the live stream and we'll wind up the trade as well. So ಯಾವುದೇ ರೀತಿ ಟ್ರೇಡ್ಸ್ ತಗೊಳಕ್ ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಟ್ರಿ, ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್ ಕ್ಲಾರಿಟಿ ಎಲ್ಲ it is trying to just manipulate everyone. Okay. ಓ ಭಾಯ್ ಕಿಲ್ ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಯಾವ ರೇಂಜಿಗೆ ರೆಡ್ ಗ್ರೀನ್ ಕ್ಯಾಂಡಲ್ ಫಾರ್ಮೇಶನ್ ಆಗ್ಲತ್ತದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. एकदम सडन स्पाइक. Okay, just observe the premium prices over here. 1 second. I feel like this is again a trap. Okay, so I'm not interested in getting into any trade right now. I'll be closing for the day. Okay, so even I suggest you don't trade for today. Bit better ಇವತ್ತಿಗೆ ನಾಳೆಗೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಬರಮು we can get into trade. So that's it for today's live stream. We'll meet you in next video. Until that, see you all, take care, and thank you so much for joining the live stream.